we got a HINO of 300 here. I'm going to install the BCDC between these two batteries, and this just temporarily secure at least fine. And the customer want me wire up the to the what's it called, fridge into the cabin as well. So yeah. Yeah, I'm going to mount a cigarette socket here, somewhere here. Okay. It's the positive cable for the cigarette lighter socket. Yeah, this is connected to the cigarette socket, and I ground it to this board here. This wire is for the power of the power feed for the socket. Alright, all good now. So I mounted BCDC there, all the wires connected. For the least bit, the customer will sort it out the proper tie down bracket for this auxiliary battery. The cigarette lighter sockets down, wire it up. Yeah, the fridge is working. Okay. Yeah, of course, BCDC is working. 14.2 volts.